Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning how the world really works. And once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those that purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the New World Order book is going to open the third eye, show you how the world really works. Also, those who've donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at the store. Remember, guys, there's two stores. One on Teespring on YouTube, another one on Printful. I have the link in the description. We're going to go over Bitcoin and cryptos. And, of course, we have a lot of news today. Now, basically, of course, we saw Bitcoin take a bounce up last night and then fall down today. Bitcoin dominance. We saw shrink. And then what did we see? We saw altcoins move up. So we had a few DeFi, Aave moved up, and then, of course, Litecoin had its biggest percentages up. Now, guys, I did have a viewer that actually sent me USDC email. So, of course, teamwork makes the dream work. Now, basically, when you look at USDC, on October 26th, the volume spiked to 3 billion. So, guys, that was leading up to the futures. So all this is starting to make sense. But I'm also going to go over something very, very important at the end of this video that's very important. Now, guys, don't forget we are the only game in town on the weekends. So make sure you are paying attention to the indicators. Like that viewer sent me the email. You have Tether, you have USDC, of course, the stable coins, Xrp, and, of course, volume. Volume means everything. It's whether it's going to support, whether it's moving up or moving down. Volume always spikes up either way. So, guys, make sure you are focused on the indicators. But we're going to move over into the actual crypto news, guys. We had Jerome Powell speak yesterday, of course, with the European Union. Also, basically, we had Lagarde saying that as far as with cryptos go, CBDCs, they'll look at it in January. They'll make a decision, January 2021. If that happens, it'll launch maybe 2 to 4 years. Guys, do we believe that? No. When it comes to me, guys, when it comes to the euro, remember, started, I think, in 1999. It's very, very new. So the fact is that basically when I see the euro, I see something that's not going to last, plain and simple. It may transition over to something else, but I don't see the euro staying there. I just don't. Now, I may be wrong. And guys, getting back over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin delivers the highest returns over the past 4 years. And that's including real estate, gold, stocks, and bonds. Guys, please listen to my video last night. Like I stated, no other asset performs like Bitcoin. We have our highs, we have our lows. Now, am I saying that we're going to drop to 4,000 next year? No, I'm not. Once we get actual utility, once we get usage of these cryptos, of course, we're going to stay up there. But the fact is, as long as we stay with speculation and the Fed is pumping and dumping, that's what's going to happen. Is utility right around the corner? Yes, it is. So when utility comes, of course, the sky's the limit. But the fact is, right now, it's just not here. We definitely see it being formed, but it's not here yet. So, guys, that's the reason why we have to stay on the fundamentals. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin market cap, it's bigger than PayPal, Verizon, Home Depot, Citigroup, and Zoom. So something that doesn't even have utility yet, guys, well, the masses are using it. Yes, some other countries are using it, but the masses are not, and the market cap is this big. It's definitely amazing. Now, guys, we also had Binance as North Carolina. So if you're North Carolina, Binance.us is definitely available. Of course, I have the link at the bottom. But, guys, we're seeing something over in China. We saw Huobi, we saw OKEX. And then basically we see $300 million moved from Huobi over to Binance. So we're starting to see China starting to consolidate these exchanges. Please watch out for that because, of course, when they launch their digital yuan, that's definitely going to hurt the US dollar, definitely. And we know that's all planned out. Now we have Ripple files for a trademark, PaySprings, but guys, we know this is not new. Is just basically when they did the Pay ID, Australia already had a trademark. So guys, just make sure you understand that. I see some news is not correct. Now, basically, we have Peninsula Visa. Now you can buy a passport with Bitcoin. So like I stated, guys, it's definitely coming, but it's not here with the masses. Now we have Belarus, largest bank, is launching a crypto exchange service. So guys, remember, all stocks, everything is going to be tokenized. So that's the reason why you see these banks, these companies starting to create crypto exchanges, because everything is going to be tokenized and moved over to blockchain. Just want to make sure you know where we're headed. Now we have Binance launches Ethereum mining pool that will charge 5/10 of fees in regards to the mining. Now guys, we know Binance is in it to get the fees. But right now, guys, the first month is no fees, and the normal Ethereum mining pool is probably about 1%. So basically what they're doing is they're undercutting to get in, and you know what they're going to do. They're going to raise the fee. So we know the game, guys. Binance is nothing but a bank. Now, guys, we have Bitpay rolls out cryptocurrency payroll service. Now, I went over a deal, guys, with Andreessen. Now we have Bitpay. And with this, guys, you don't even have to own crypto. So we are definitely seeing these big companies making real use, real world applications, guys. Now we have ShardX, another one for custody breakthrough that will help the storage of keys for the actual bank. Because remember, guys, not your keys, not your money. Now we have Tezos does an upgrade that slashes smart contract gas fees by 75%. So guys, if this is true, of course, it's another breakthrough. Definitely amazing. That will help, of course, with DeFi. Now, guys, next week is going to be very important, very interesting. Because right now we have Uniswap and Ethereum's liquidity, like $2.4 billion, will hit next week. I think it's basically on the 17th. And then also, guys, we have what? We have back on the 19th. So, guys, this is going to be the biggest roller coaster ride we ever seen. So, guys, if nobody bites on that liquidity, we could go down 3,000-4,000. If they do bite on the liquidity, we can go up to 3,000-4,000. So, guys, I'm telling you, next week is a very, very important week. I will not be upset with you if you just want to sit on the sidelines. Because I'm telling you, the actual 17th and 19th are very, very important. And the only channel you're going to hear this from is me, because I'm telling you, it's going to be a roller coaster ride next week. Now, lastly, guys, we have IBM Watson and Cosmos create a virtual assistant that can find and sell you car insurance on blockchain. So, guys, we know all telemarketing and all that is going to be gone. Basically, you go into doctors, all that's going to be gone. You have telehealth. I'm going to probably do a video on that on my stock channel. And I may do one on this channel also. But, guys, the whole economy is about to change. So if you can't look forward, you're definitely going to miss out on some big opportunities. And you definitely don't want to be left with the masses, guys. I've done too many videos to let you see that. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and WO book. If you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links at the bottom. And don't forget about the stock channel, guys. The stocks are booming still. We know this. So basically, you have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about at-home stocks. The C-word, the biotech stocks, is like I said, healthcare. Everybody's going to be sitting on their phone instead of going to the doctors. And then also, while everybody's sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.